I think that to make this countdown, I could just simply use this. I don't have to do anything complex. So, stream start. When I start streaming, that should be automatic. This is stream start. So, this should not be called this name. It should just be stream started. So these automatic ones should be named for the events that they represent. So this is starting stuff. I added it starting Sammy, Shady, which I don't know if I will use, and OBS. So if I start Streamer.bot, it should start all the other stuff automatically. So I just have to start one thing. And this is a subscriber, follower, raid, and hype train once. So stream started. It sent a Discord message, but I also want a countdown. So for the countdown, I'm thinking we need code, right? What I used before, I did close down my. I'll open up my my Obsidian again. Let's see what I had here. Yeah, it switched to the pause. It's a pause, so it has a countdown, I think. I could just look at OBS. Right screen. Let's see now. Let's do studio mode. And we can look at these. And look at these settings here. Alright. There. Now you can see. So here we have a counter. And we can't see the background since it's not running. Of course. So there will be an animated background here. But this is the start counter one. And this is the value that I used to update from Sammy. So if we put a number in here, like 50, we can see the countdown. So I should be able to change this from OBS. No, from Streamer.bot. So this is, we want to change the value of the start counter text source. So start counter text, and I'm thinking I would probably need to check the documentation for this. So let's go left screen, but no, it can still be like that. Left screen. Yeah, I thought so. For me, it popped right screen into the where I had stream start. So there. Let's keep the studio mode on. So I'm going to pop up my search here. So what we need is to change details in a source. So what if we search for source text? Can we do this without using programming? Nah, it's much more complex, right? What is GDI plus? Is that what they are called? Is this a GDI plus one? Scene, source, string text. Well, if this works, it is extremely simple. And we can even do it like this, so we don't have to write CPH. Because that's 3 letters to type, right? So let's our connection is 0. I don't think we need to type that. The text should be, say, we want it to be 1500, and of course a string, and the scene is called stream start, and the source is called start counter. There, stream start counter 1500. Should we have a colon? And this is the test for now, and let's just do a cph.wait, and let's remove the text again after this. Why did when you've written too many strings, right? So this wait should be like 5 seconds. So let's, oh gosh, I've written too much Python. I'm forgetting the semicolons. Well, good that I did the compile line. So the Discord we do, and then we do this. I wonder if I can just test run this. Let's disable this for now. We don't need a million messages in Discord. So okay, test trigger, and unfortunately right screen. I'm starting it again. Okay, can you see my tiny mouse over here? So let's trigger it, test trigger again. The first time it worked. I'm removing studio mode. Left screen. And what it didn't do, and what we need to add, is switch scenes, right? Because we can't see this. So I would like to rename this not to be execute code. I would like to say what it is. That's annoying. Well, I guess we'll just have to do stuff. So first we need to switch scene. So cph dot obs. We want to set. I realize this must be so tiny. It's tiny for me too. And that's the reason I do not like Streamer.bot, because I don't see how I can make this bigger. OBS. Show source. Scene source. No, I want to set scene. There, set scene. Set scene, and let's remove the connection, and since we have the name of the scene over here, I'm thinking variable now, because this is stupid. Semicolon, I remembered it. And I tried Ctrl S-ing again. Ctrl S is save. And I forgot another semicolon, damn Python. The type or namespace string. What? It doesn't know what a string is? Oh. Well. Okay, so now when I run this, trigger this, it should switch to the scene first, right? So let's 5 seconds and it's gone. That's perfect. So now we just need to make some simple code to make it count down. And that's a simple loop. And let's make sure you can see first. Left screen. Left screen. There. Seriously, this is so tiny. What could I do to make this better? Can you see anything? Oh. I'll just first have to remember how to make for loops. I'm seriously, it's starting to get late here too, so I'll be lazy. I don't have to show how lazy I am. Or do I? Here, copy, paste. That's how lazy I am. And well, maybe we should have like minutes and seconds. Yeah, I think so. Then we have minute. Let's there. No. We wanted to start at 15 and go to 0. And we wanted to go to -1 and minus. There. And let's paste this. I also tried the format one and I didn't like it. It just mushed everything up in the height, and then it well we will need to have a weight here in here, and we will have to have a count. So these two should just be pasted in there. And the count should be for 1 second. And if this is not very maximum, I mean, we could do like 998, right? It's not that important that it's right. Unable to charge, says my phone. Okay, let's reconnect you. There. Let's see. Where were I? Yeah, this should be. Alright, we want this to be formatted. Formatted strings in C#. Let's do another quick Google, because I'm rusty. Firefox, please. Maybe I'll not Google. I think it's very simple, so let's Google anyway. Formatted strings C#. Too many hits. Oh, this is... Sorry, let's show you this. Maybe this is not worth it. The only thing I need is that if let's do this instead. If minute let's do this. Minute if I do OK here, that's saved, right? Because I know that I had this code in my chat and I just want to copy this. Yeah, it's the cases. So copy, if you can, you copy, right? Stream start, execute code. Minute dot. Do I get 2 dots now? We'll see. There. And it doesn't even tab there. If minute is less, no, it's second. I have to rename this, otherwise it won't work very well. Yeah, it's minutes and seconds. Do you have to think about that? In second. I'm thinking that this is not the right way to do it, is it? Yeah, because if I do this 14, and it starts with 1459, and we have 15 here, that will be easier. So this is just the old one we had. So 15, 0, 0. And we can even make this 2 seconds, so not to make it correct, but just to make it at 15 first. Or maybe I should just send in something, and it should be... No, but this is a stupid Streamer.bot thingy. Oh, whatever. Let's just make it like this. So, 14 minutes and 59 seconds. And it's a second everywhere, and if... Oh, and it adds... Sometimes it adds stuff and sometimes it doesn't. Second, did I have that in my memory? No, I removed it. Second. D. S. No. Is... I think this is second. Wait a sec here. It's bigger than or the same as 0. There. So we have the actual 0, but the 60 should never be shown. And if this is less than 10, we no, wrong place. String str second like me. There's the Swedish again. Time to sleep. Second dot to string and double parenthesis again. If it strings start second, like me second dot to string. If second is less than 10, we don't need to do that. We just need to do this is the same as 0 again plus that there, and let's lazy it a bit. So if it's less than 10, it's not 2 digits, then we add a 0, and then we type str second there. So let's just lazy do it. I thought I would have managed to get all the semicolons there now. So first it types 15, then it waits for 2 seconds, then it counts from 14, and this one I didn't change, so it's supposed to be bigger or the same as 0 there. So now it's counting from 14 to 0, and then when it's done with this, maybe we should switch the scenes. again. So, just making sure this is correct. 14 to 0, 59 to 0. We have the correct variable all the way. Here we set convert the second to a string, and we check the numeric version if it's less than 10, and then we add a 0 before, and then we change the variable to the updated to the minute. The two strings shouldn't take much time or work for it. We could do that the same way as we do this. Just once. Whatever. We'll see. You know, what's most good looking code or what's the most efficient code. And the second, which should be 2-digit always. And then we just see if this works. And afterwards, let's do this as a non-flexible, boring left screen. I usually always do the left screen. It's odd that there's no check if this is correct or not. It's not correct, I noticed. So there's these stars here. That's how I show which scenes are actually scenes that are supposed to be viewed. Yeah, let's test it now. Let's see what happens. It works. Should I sit here waiting for 15 minutes now? What? Nah. We'll have to wait until the minute switch. So 43 seconds. I can also check a timer on my phone if it's actually good. I know. Let's do studio mode here, and we can switch to left scene. So I can do stuff over here at least. So. Let's see now. So what I was thinking was actually checking this. It was 48 when it was a minute. So if it's 48 the next time, and it's sleepy time for me, oh my god. I actually plan to sleep the latest at 0. And now I've been streaming for 2 hours again, though I shouldn't do that. Oh. Okay, let's see here now. It's 30. Yeah, it was 18. So I think it's accurate. The time is accurate. I don't have to watch it all. Well, it worked. What I want to do is to test the end. The question is, what happens if Streamer.bot, oh gosh, again, it minimized everything for me. It's the second time that happens when I move the Streamer.bot window. I've never noticed that with any other program. Why? Sammy was minimized, but what else did I have up? Whatever. Let that get close. There. 12 minutes. Right screen. Nah, well, At least, I don't know, apparently I forgot how studio mode works. We should see the left screen if we wait this long. I guess I will, and then after that I will or I won't. Maybe I won't. Because of what I wanted to show you was actually the other stuff. Let's quit studio mode. Left screen. Left screen. Yeah. So I think this should work. The scene switching at the start worked, and I'm now activating studio mode so that I can see that the countdown continues in the stream start, and it's on 10:30 now, so it's still counting down there. Let's see what it looks like here now, because we have done several things. What can I see? Yeah, this is running. So under pending actions, we can see here when it was queued, started, and that it has 15 variables. We can inspect the variables. And we can't see all of the variables. Okay, but what I wanted to see was if the variables were updating. So could I could pause this. It's at 9:30 now. If I pause this, it still continued. That's interesting. The countdown continued. It's 9:20 now. So, well, I'm thinking I'll pop back to that when it's almost counted down. So, let's see now. What else have I got here that I'm trying to do? I want to double check if I have my TTS window minimized, and I write a chat message. Testing.
Fix it says.
It works
Testing.
anyway. Great. So I can have that window minimized and it works. I know that I can have semi-minimized because I can switch my camera or my location there. The counter is now 8. Maybe we should type in the chat too that 15 minutes until stream start or something, or stream starts at. That would be nice, eh? And then you check the time and to make sure that if someone wanted, if someone wanted to not miss the start of the stream and wanted to go and get some snacks to eat while watching, then you could send a chat message here at the top. So let's do CPH, 7 minutes left, dot. I know that if I type OBS here, then it pops up with everything. So that's annoying that it doesn't do that when I type dot. But now I can check what the Twitch send chat thingy is called. If I can read this tiny text. 650 left. Send shout out. Oh, this is what I should have had before then. By login by ID. Whatever, I know now that they exist. So I have to read a bit here while I have the opportunity. 6:15. Well, it should start with Twitch, right? So let's check Twitch. Twitch chat. I guess it would be Twitch chat. No. Twitch send, maybe? Twitch send. You know, I think it's actually not at all. I think it's just send. Send a message, I think it is. Yeah. So if I just do I wonder if I save this while it's running, if it still remembers where it was at. So it's 5 minutes now. But send message to chat. Yeah, what I was actually thinking of was, let's just say, stream starts in 15. Welcome. Stream starts in 15 minutes. Maybe that's a bit too much for me, but we'll see. Maybe 5 minutes is better. What I want to do now is to know what time it is. And I don't know how to do that in this Streamer.bot thingy, so let's find out. Time. No, not timer, actual time. Laban, I'm streaming well. Yes. Yes, I'm coming very soon, in like 5 minutes, okay? They get like... It wasn't supposed to be this long, you know. I'm coming in 5 minutes. Because it's 3 minutes on the timer. And if I don't do this now, I'll do it tomorrow. If it's possible to get time. Let's Google instead. Actual time in Streamer.bot. Date and time. I don't want to widget, I just want to know the... Well, I guess I could look at the video. Hi, Andy. How do I find the time in code?
Just like so, and we can start typing in here. So we want to I'm going to type in date, time, now because I'm just going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it
okay,
used
so daytime works.
and date use a semicolon.
Now I don't know if he did anything before. So let's try daytime. Yeah, it recognizes it. It's time to switch to the time. I'm going out of studio mode and we'll just see if it switches automatically. My stream I'm watching on my other computer here, it's like 50 and 17 seconds delayed from and it has clearer colors. So let's see. Should we do a TTS test meanwhile? What should we say? Hi there, testing the TTS now.
Hi there, testing the TTS now.
Let me type some more. Let's get date and time from date time.
Let's get date and time from date time.
Hello.
Hello.
It's gonna switch. And it worked. Well, first time testing the code and it worked perfectly. Then what do you do then? Okay. So this daytime. I don't think I should do this right now. So I'm actually commenting this, and I know that daytime now works, or should work, without having to include anything, you know. So yeah, continue on that next time. And for now, it says stream starts in 15 minutes, and that message will have a time connected to it at least, and there will be a countdown. So it's not like it is necessary, just me I wanted to have the date and time there. So I wanted to test some new stuff. So this should be possible to compile if I did not forget another semicolon. It's all Python's fault. Well, do I have to click save before I click OK? This is confusing. And if I click save and compile doesn't close the window. Save doesn't close the window. But save and compile closes the window. It's very logical. Very, very logical. Well, I guess I should have on my Sammy. Or maybe not on my Sammy. Maybe have like I'm thinking a button on Sammy that starts a closing stream thing. Or no, it's a rating thing that should do that, right? The rating should have a timeout, and then closing the stream. So my son called, so I will close it now. But that's something for next time. So now let me actually do a raid from chat this time, but I have to see who is online.